It's taken 2 years, but the criminal case against a group accused of trying to overturn the 2020 election is over.
A Lansing judge today dismissed charges against 15 people accused by Michigan's Attorney General of trying to keep President Donald Trump in power after Biden's 2020 win.
Target 8 investigator Susan Samples listened to the judge's ruling and has a breakdown of what happened. Susan.
Judge Kristen Simmons, who was appointed by Democrat Governor Gretchen Whitmer, ruled the state failed to prove the defendants intended to defraud anyone. Wyoming Mayor Kent Vanderwood is among the 15 accused by Michigan's AG of saying they were Michigan's electors and trying to direct the state's votes, allegedly, to President Trump despite Joe Biden's 2020 victory. In a statement released after the judge's dismissal of the case, Vanderwood calls the charges by the AG a, quote, partisan ploy to score political points. He thanked Judge Kristen Simmons for her, quote, thorough and thoughtful approach. Judge Simmons said in her ruling that based on testimony, the former defendants now were following the guidance of attorneys for Trump's campaign, none of whom were charged in this case. Simmons also noted the group was taking pictures and had what appeared to be a news conference about their meeting.
They said they were executing their constitutional right to allow the senators of the state of Michigan to receive an alternate slate, and then the senators could take further action. They didn't say, first of all, I don't know anybody doing a press conference after they're committing a fraud. But to the extent that that's what we're going to do. Their statements make it very clear that they believe that they can seek redress from their state senators, which I believe is a constitutional right.
As prosecutors, we have a moral and ethical obligation to bring charges when there is evidence of a crime. And despite today's very wrong decision, the evidence is clear and overwhelming. And to not have brought these charges in the face of these facts because it would have been controversial or met with political accusations would really actually be the most political thing a prosecutor could do.
Nessel, who said the charges were not politically driven, also said her office has not decided yet if it will appeal Judge Simmons' decision to a higher court. Attorneys for the 15 now former defendants said they will explore whether they can file a civil case against Nessel's office for what they called malicious prosecution.